American elderberry is one of the most productive, fruitful, and medicinal fruits that you can grow. Right now, these American elderberries are in flower, which are also wonderfully floral. They can be used, they can be cooked, or if you wait, all of these will turn into berries. You'll have a huge hanging cluster of berries. Super rich in antioxidants, really touted as one of the greatest medicinals on our planet, and it grows so easily. It's one of the fastest growing plants that I know of. It'll take very moist conditions, typically grows 8 to 12 feet tall. Here we're actually growing it on a hugelkultur bed. So it's got compost in place and it is just exploding. Now deer do like to eat it, so we fence it. We get it going, get it above their reach, and that's how we're able to get fruit even with the deer. Highly recommend the American elderberry.
Such a